Hello everyone and welcome to our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I got this phone during the pre-order period, so I received a lot of perks with it. As you can see in the video title, I went with the blue color. I actually went to see all the colors in person at their pop-up store, and I really like the blue color the most. Even though the pink on the Z Flip 6 looks great, I'm not a fold girl, I'm a flip girl. Anyway, we got a bunch of stuff with this phone like double storage, a Flipsuit case, a 25-watt adapter, and a Galaxy Fit 3. It's funny because I was looking to get a smartwatch, and as soon as I saw the pre-order gifts, I was very excited. Light blue is my favorite color, and I'm glad that Samsung decided to release a new color in such a nice blue shade. The camera design is different from the Z Flip 5. Now it has a frame around the camera. We've also got a matte finish and flat design on the sides as well, which I really love. It has a nice grip and feels great to hold. Okay, now I'm going to transfer data from my S24 Ultra. This is new for me because I've always liked to set up my new phone as new. But since I only need to transfer photos and videos, I think it will still feel like a new phone as I'm not transferring any other apps. The crease has improved a lot. I didn't notice it until I realized I was holding a flip phone. And if you're worried about the crease, I hope this video can help you decide if it would bother you or not. Finally, my first smartwatch. I am so excited for this. I don't usually like wearing a watch because of my very small wrist, especially those chunky smartwatches. But I just thought of getting one about a month ago when I started walking. I thought it would be nice to track my steps with it to feel motivated, I guess. Before we set up the Fit 3, let me unbox the case first because I don't want to use the phone without any protection at all. As soon as I saw this case in the promo video on Samsung's YouTube channel, I wanted it so badly. And it's quite easy to put on, but if you're not sure, you can look at the manual that comes with it. This blue color matches the phone color perfectly, and I'm so obsessed with this neon cover wallpaper. Now let's set up the Galaxy Fit 3 with my phone. All you need to do is turn on the Fit 3, and if there are any Samsung phones nearby, a screen will appear on the phone asking to connect with the Fit 3. You'll just need to click connect and follow the instructions on the screen.